Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I hope that you have been enjoying my spring cleaning Motivation 23 videos. I am trying to get my house organized, and I've been finding a lot of good organization containers at Amazon. Just so you know real quick, my video is not sponsored, and just want to make sure that I get on and show you these deals that I have been finding. I will put the link down in my description box if you're interested in anything that you may see here on my channel. So I found this under the sink organizer by a company called Renite. It had like over 2,000 reviews, and I believe only paid like $21, which I thought was an unheard price to get two pull-out stands. So here is the stand, one of them. This is the washroom. I was telling y'all in the last video to maybe put these up here, but I have all this clutterness going on top of my dryer. So I was thinking about using one of these over here. All right, so let's get all this moved out of the way. Everything over there. And it fits pretty good.